Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Athapite deva padambujadam prasadaleshanugrihita eva hi janati tattam nachanai kopi chirang vichinna. Yeah. Those who are favored by the causeless mercy of Krishna, they can understand Krishna. Others, nachanai kopi chirang vichinna. Chirang means for a long time, for many years. If they speculate only what is God or what is Krishna, that process will not help us. There are many Vedic versions like that. Athasya Krishna namadi na bhaved grahiham indriyai sevan mukhehi jivhado sameva spuratada. Krishna, his name, his fame, his attributes, his activities. Sri Krishna namadi na bhaved. Namadi means beginning from the holy name. So if we keep ourselves on the material platform, then for 1,000 years we may chant. It will be difficult. That is called Namapara. Of course, holy name is so powerful that even by chanting with offense, gradually he becomes pure. Therefore we should not give up chanting. Any circumstances we should go on chanting Hare Krishna. But the warning is that if we keep us on the material platform, then it will be not possible to understand Krishna, his holy name, his attribute, his form, his activities. It will not. So, the process is bhakti. And when you come to the platform of understanding Krishna, then immediately you become fit for being transferred to the spiritual world. That is Krishna said also in the Bhagavad Gita, Takta dehang punarjanma naiti mameti. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna